239, number charge, traffic 6 mile final, 737, runway 27, land flight.
All right, runway 27, Alaska 239.
Alaska 239, line up and wait, heading to beautiful Kona.
United 2358, turn left to enable, taxi westbound on Bravo, go to ramp 29.77, corning.
Alright, let's see, left turn and 2977, so 2358, good day.
That was United 2358 and A319 from Houston. Welcome to town. Let's get this Alaska heading to beautiful Kona. You're running late.
Alaska 239, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff on 27, Alaska 239.
Alaska 239, contact SoCal departure, have a good flight.
Alaska 239, we'll see you.
South 1931, number target 27, land for white.
27, land for white, South 1931.
Southwest 1931 heading to San Jose this morning. Boeing 738.
Southwest 3490, taxi time for your Bravo, Warner, going, what's your gate?
Oh, we're going to gate 7.
Measure 2.
Yep.
Southwest 3490. Welcome from Chicago's Midway Field.
Southwest 1931, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 27, Southwest 1931.
Get on over to SoCal Southwest for that flight to Salt Lake City. Should be a nice one. Severe clear.
Southwest 1931, contact SoCal departure, have a good flight.
Departure, good day, Southwest 1931.
Flight at 430, limit target, tower shore final 737, traffic will hold in position, wind 2006, runway 27, clear to land.
Clear land, runway 27, flight to 4.
237, thanks for help, contact SoCal departure, have a good flight. Have a your flight.
On departure, thanks. Jet 237.
American 1949, the return traffic 8 mile final, Legacy Jet, runway 27, line of flight.
Runway 27, American 1949.
Flight 1955, the return traffic 6 mile final, Legacy Jet, traffic hold in position, wind 2006, runway 27, cleared to land.
Clear to land to 27, flight 1959.
At 541, turn left at Bravo 9 or no delay your next please, all the way on to Bravo, go to ramp 29.77, good morning.
Bravo 9, Bravo ramp, good morning, all right, 541.
All right, missed that United flight. We got an American taking off. All right.
American 1949, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Runway 27, clear for takeoff, American 1949.
1949, where are you going this morning? You're heading to Phoenix Sky Harbor in your beautiful Airbus 320.
Hey, good morning, San Diego Tower, Gulfstream, Victor Papa Charlie Oscar Romeo, ready in sequence, runway 27.
Victor Papa Charlie Oscar Romeo, Lindbergh Tower, good morning, will be number 2 for departure.
Thanks, sir.
American 1949, contact SoCal departure. Good night.
1949, so long.
Southwest 2884. Where are you heading? Salt Lake City, I believe. Boeing 738 MAX.
Section 430, right turn at Charlie 6, Charlie Hotel to signature, monitor ground.
Charlie 6, Charlie Hotel, signature, monitor ground, section 430.
That beautiful 738 MAX.
Southwest 2884, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 27, Southwest 2884.
Southwest 2884, contact SoCal departure. Good day.
Hey, switch in Southwest 2884, good day to you.
Victor Papa Charlie Oscar Romeo, runway 27, line of point.
Line up and away 27, Victor Oscar Romeo.
All right, Romeo, you're heading to Phoenix Sky Harbor this morning. And a SkyWest 737 holding short. I believe that's Southwest Flight 5 to Reno, Nevada. If you can't afford Vegas, go to Reno. Reno's expensive too, that's just a joke. They're all going to take your money.
Flight 1955, right turn Charlie 6, Charlie Foxtrot to parking, monitor ground.
Charlie 6, Charlie Foxtrot to park into monitor ground, yeah, flight 1955.
It's a lot of Charlies.
Victor Papa Charlie Oscar Romeo, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 27, Charlie Oscar Romeo.
Southwest 2480, Lindbergh Tower, runway 27, line of point.
Flight 27, Southwest 2480.
My mistake, 2480 heading to Vegas. Reno's right behind you, probably. Two Southwest ready for takeoff. One to Reno, one to Las Vegas. It's 11 in the morning. You'll be at those craps tables by
Southwest 2480, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Clear takeoff 27,
I figure you land at noon and be at the tables at 12:30. Unless you're a degenerate gambler, you can gamble right in the airport.
Victor Papa Charlie Oscar Romeo, contact SoCal departure, good day.
Runway departure, good day. Victor Oscar Romeo.
Southwest 5, Lindbergh Tower, runway 27, ladder point. 27 ladder point from Southwest 5.
That's 5, heading to Reno.
Southwest 2480, contact SoCal departure. For departure, have a good day, Southwest 2480. You too.
Southwest 5, you are clear for takeoff, runway 27. Off to Reno.
Southwest 5, runway 27, clear for takeoff. 27, clear for takeoff, Southwest 5. South 5428, Lindbergh Tower, runway 27 at Bravo 1, exit at Charlie 2, right turn on Charlie, just for your flow time, we'll get one more out.
Okay, we'll taxi across runway 27 via Bravo 1 and then make the right turn and go via Charlie 1 for SkyWest 5428.
Southwest 3322, just, there's going to be an Embraer taxiing over to the north side from the south side, just give way to them.
We'll do 3322.
Southwest 5, contact SoCal departure. Departure Southwest 5.
Horizon 2565, you are heading to Montana. Glacier Park International.
Corporate 6, radar contact just west of SeaWorld Tower. Flight taxiway Delta at or above 1,000 and report prior to northbound. At or above 1,000, report north, Corporate 6.
Okay, he just had that guy do a U-turn and he's going to take off from the right side of the runway.
United 614, number tower, runway 27, line of point. Line of point, runway 27, United 614.
No big deal. United 614, your Boeing 739 heading to Chicago O'Hare this morning. Never seen that before. He had him taxi up the runway and just for positioning, I guess, spin around and let 2 aircraft depart. Got to space them out for SoCal. Taking the runway now is the United flight to Chicago.
United 614, runway 27, clear for takeoff. Clear for takeoff, runway 27, United 614. Horizon 2565, traffic to heading to your right, eastbound, a helicopter, 800 feet. Can be no factor, contact SoCal departure.
SoCal, good day, Horizon 2565.
SkyWest 5428, runway 27, line of point.
Line up and wait, runway 27, SkyWest 5428.
All right, United 614, out. You're on your way to Chicago. Now, who's this? SkyWest. He's running late, changed all the traffic around.
SkyWest 5428, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 27, SkyWest 5428.
5428, your Embraer up to San Francisco this morning. Yeah, you're running about 30 minutes late. Screwed up the flow.
Yeah, 614, contact SoCal departure, good day.
So long, United 614.
Beautiful paint job.
2743 on retired, runway 27, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, runway 27, record 2743.
Okay, American 2743 and Airbus 321. Line up and wait. You're heading to Dallas, Fort Worth.
American 2743, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 27, American 2743.
You're running 25 minutes late. Make that up in the air.
SkyWest 5428, contact SoCal departure, good day.
Fish, good day, SkyWest 5428.
SkyWest 3452, on retired, runway 27, line up and wait, traffic 9 mile final.
Runway 27, line up and wait, SkyWest 3452.
Tower, Corporate 6, ready to go north. Corporate 6, direct northbound is approved, traffic on 8 mile final, heavy Dreamliner out of 3,500.
Alright, direct north approved, we got the 8 mile final side, maintain visual, Corporate 6.
Corporate 6, roger, approved.
All right, SkyWest, where are you going? Everything's a mess right now. But they just cleared the Japan Airlines JAL 787 Dreamliner. Should be checking in any minute. I can't find you, SkyWest. Everybody's late.
SkyWest 3452, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Runway 27, clear for takeoff, SkyWest 3452.
Lindbergh to Japan 66, on Yankee 27 approach.
Japan 66 Heavy, Lindbergh Tower, traffic holds in position, wind 220 at 8, runway 27, clear to land.
Runway 27 clear to run, Japan 66 Heavy.
Southwest 3322, Lindbergh Tower, runway 27, clear for takeoff, traffic 5 mile final.
Clear to go 27, Southwest 3322.
American 2743, contact SoCal departure, good day.
At 2743, so long.
There you go,
Tower,
SkyWest.
Corporate 6 over Balboa Park. I got a red balloon and a gold balloon, 1,000 feet moving south.
Oh, he's got some balloons.
Corporate 6, copy, thank you.
SkyWest on your way to San
The red
Jose.
and the gold balloon, about 1,000 feet, just north of a 1.5 mile final, moving southbound.
SAN Tower, 74 Zulu Kilos on a coastal transition northbound.
Japan 66 Heavy, you copy? 734 Zulu Kilo, Lindbergh Tower, clear to Bravo airspace at or below 500 northbound, altimeter 3010.
At or above, at or below 500, 734 Zulu Kilo. Clear to Bravo.
Corporate 6, Lynn Bravo airspace in the north, radar service terminated, contact Montgomery Tower.
I switched over, Corporate 16 a bit.
Japan 66 Heavy, use caution, a balloon reported 1,000 feet, 2 balloons, southbound, approximately just north of a 1.5 mile final.
Thank you, information, rookie photographic, Japan 66.
Japan Airlines. Watch out for those balloons.
3452 over to approach.
Got 3452, affirmative, contact SoCal departure, thank you.
Thanks.
I believe that was Southwest 3322, a Boeing 737 heading to Phoenix Sky Harbor. And we've got the beautiful JAL 787-8 Dreamliner on approach.
Southwest 3322, contact SoCal departure.
3322, have a good day.
Short turbines, line up and wait, runway 27, expect jet 681.
Welcome to San Diego, Japan Airliner. It's good to see you back.
Japan 66 Heavy, turn left Bravo 9, taxi spot 1, contact the ramp 2977.
Bravo 9, spot 1, contact 12975, Japan 66.
Good to see that flight back. We'll be getting our 777 British Airways soon. I'll be on that Japan Airliner hopefully October 3rd, 2021. Let's hope they let me into Japan. And then onward to Thailand.